Hi guys, look at this. These are the silicone protectors or silicone covers for the Osmo Pocket 3, yeah, as well as for the accessories as well, which includes the battery extender, the normal extender, as well as the microphone. Yeah, so let's start with the microphone. This is the easiest one. Yeah, all you need to do is just place this accordingly. See this? Yeah, just push it in. I think it's better to put this way. Yep. Just push this in, then you'll be able to see that it's only, yep, that, there you go. See, you can still access to the USB port and the logo can still be seen. Yep, you'll not affect your microphone as well. See this? You can still see the on off button here and the link button. You can still use this. All right, then this is for your extender. So very easy. The hole is a hole, just push it in. All right, okay, next will be this is the battery, extended battery. Push it in. All right, done. Okay, put in here, pull out the lanyard. Okay, then push this in. Just not too hard so that it won't break the silicone.
Okay, you just lie this one.
Oh, I just scared that you will break.
It's very cheap thing. It's like 5 USD or 10 USD. I think less than 10 USD.
Okay.
Like that. See or not?
Uh,
Here. Like that.
okay.
Like that.
Okay.
Just
so
put
it's
it.
quite
It's
quite
very
elastic.
flexible.
Eh?
It's very flexible.
Elastic.
It's silicone, okay? It's not cloth, it's not paper, okay?
Okay. I'm just scared that you will break.
No,
So
it
it's
won't.
quite tough, yeah. Okay. So I just need to turn this back. Then where's the cover? This is the cover. All right. And for the lens, for the display, and this one, yeah, the rounded part comes here. Then it's done. Then you can attach extended battery like this, or you can always take it out. This is the short one, the tripod holder. Yeah, I think that's all for now. Thanks for watching and bye.